Hello from Madagascar again. If you didn't know that you could use multiple SQLite databases in React Native, well, now you know. So I use Drizzle as my ORM of choice. When I use React Native, in Drizzle you just need to do this. Use the Open Database Sync function to create and open this data.db, SQLite DB here, and then I just wrap it with the Drizzle function and I have a DB. I just need to import it inside my app and I'm done. And as you can see, this is used everywhere. If I just do this, now I have 2 DBs, right? Exactly. Now you have 2 databases. Why you would do that? I don't know. But the reason why I have more than 1 database in my app is because I want to have pre-existing data inside my app. And you can't do this. You can't do that with this. Well, if it's possible, I just couldn't find how to do it. So you tell me. The way you do that is by using SQLite provider, and you wrap your everything inside SQLite provider. You give it a database name, you add the asset source. Here it's seed.db inside assets, so you just have to require that. Here, let me find it here. It's in assets and seed.db. In order to use this database, okay, so I have wrapped it inside this useDB hook. Yeah, this is all you have to do. You have to use db equal use SQLite context, and you have your database. And I use this hook just to wrap it inside Drizzle with the same schema that I use on my data.db, and so that's why I need 2 of them. Yeah, I have lots of lyrics here from my country Madagascar, so if I add a title, there are lots of songs that show up because well, they're already there inside this seed.db. And why don't I just use this seed.db for everything? Well, in case I update the app, I may want to replace this seed to be a newer version of it, but at the same time keep the user's data as it is. So that's why I have 2 DBs. So I have this as the user's data. Even if the seed is updated, the user's data is inside this data.db. Yeah, that's why I need multiple databases, so now you also know. So for example, these are the songs. Well, I can add something inside my repertoire, and that's in my repertoire. So everything here is inside data.db. And everything here is inside seed.db.